welcome back to Divinus Tarot. Today we are going to know about the coming week from 10th October to 17th October for all the signs. This is a generalized reading where the rising sign, ascendant, or we are doing sun sign, moon sign, or in love reading it is Venus in that sign. So for the special reading, you can contact us in the link given below in the description. Now, Aries, how the week will be for Aries, their love life, their professional life, their health, their financial health, and divine help from God. Their love life is overcoming some external influences can change their love life, where they might be helpless, but with the divine advice they can counteract the problem they'll be facing. Their professional life, they'll get whatever they think they are capable of. They will reach the highermost portion of the institute they are working with, or any corporate they are working with. If they have their own business, they'll excel in that. Health is, they'll think that they have many problems, but overall there is no problem in their health. They are enjoying good health. Finances, they are going to take a new plunge. They can start a new business, they can start a new job. They'll feel that there are plenty of offers for them to excel in. Divine guidance is saying that they should be grounded, they should be a better human being, soul should grow, energetic sovereignty should be there, they should excel in whatever they are trying to do. So Aries should be humble and for the coming week, and they should take this advice especially in their personal life. Now for the Taurian people, their personal life, their professional life, their health, and their financial health, and divine guidance for the Taurian for this week, how they should behave, how they should deal with other people. So now the first thing, their personal life, they'll be sure of whatever they are doing. If they are in the market for new beginnings, then they'll be sure that they'll have two of everything, and it is their personal growth period. Professional, justice will be done to the all the expressiveness of Taurian, all the intuitiveness of Taurians. They'll get what they deserve. Divine justice will be served to them, which will be awesome for them. Their health, they'll be at top of the health period. Their digestion will be good, and all the balanced harmony in the body will be there. All the chakras will be balanced this time. Finances, they might get a backstabbing for the finances. Somebody might take their money away, but with the divine guidance, what can they do? They can just say that whatever had to happen, and they should accept other person's reasons for doing bad, and they should forgive and forget. And if they want to change the place of their working, this is the right time to change the place of their working. Now we'll move on to Gemini people, their personal life, their professional life, health, and their finances, and divine guidance for Gemini. Personal life will be a bit topsy-turvy, but they'll be okay with that. They'll feel like whatever we are going through is justified, and they'll be happy in whichever position they are. Professional life, they are going to do much better. They might plan to expand their business, or they might have an opportunity to go abroad to other city to get the better merchandise or to get the better offer. Their health is awesome for Gemini. They'll be healthy and all the organs will be good. All the rainbow color scheme in the body will be perfect for them this week. Finances, again, I think the coming week is not good for finances for Gemini. And they might find that an old wound, old scab might turn off, and they'll feel bad about some past deed they have done, or some other person who has cheated them. They might remember him and then they'll feel bad. But otherwise, with the divine guidance God has given them, is that they should